Okay, it's workout time, afternoon one today. So remember, for these ones we're doing 15 rounds, so one time of each exercise. We're doing 50 seconds and we've got a 10-second rest, and then we'll have a minute's rest after the 15, and then we'll start again from the top. So just 2 lots of each exercise. So let's get started, shall we? All right, ready? Okay, 10 seconds till we start. So we're going to start with high knees and a tuck jump. We've got 3 seconds. Ready? Let's go. So 2 high knees, and then we're jumping up into a tuck. So high knees and tuck. So keep it going as many reps as you can for 50 seconds. This sports bra is not made for jumping. Tuck. We're halfway there. If you do find these really hard, you can just stick with high knees. So just bring your knees up to your hands. Alright, and then we've got 10 seconds to get ready for the next one. So we're going to do fire hydrants. So band around our knees. And for 25 seconds, you're going to take your knee out to the side. Think about squeezing your bum. If you don't have a band, that's fine. Take your knee up even higher. Keep it going. 5 more seconds. And then drop to the other side. Taking it out. Almost there. And then into our squat walk. So we've got 10 seconds. So we're literally just going to squat down, and we're going to walk forwards and backwards based on your space. Ready? Let's go. So stay in that squat, and you're just going to walk forwards and backwards. Try and stay low as much as you can. Keep your knees apart. Power through, stay nice and low. Keep your weight in your heels. Keep your knees apart. So just as many steps as you can fit in each direction. Woo! We got this. 10 more seconds. Alright, and then we've got 10 seconds to get ready for a plank climb. So you're going to go into a low plank and climb up to the high one. Ready? Let's go. Alternating sides. We're halfway there. Nearly there. Woo! All right, and then we've got line opposite toe reaches. So we're going to line and we're going to reach for the opposite toe. Ready? Let's go. So reach up to the opposite toe. Think about twisting your body. We're halfway. 10-second breather. And then we are doing jumping opposite toe reaches. So we're just going to jump and we're going to reach the opposite toe. Ready? So reach, jump on. Keep it going. More seconds. 10 seconds more. Alright, 10 seconds back. And then we've got glute bridge abduction. So we're going to do a glute bridge. When we get to the top, we're going to pull our knees in and out. Then we'll go up and down, in and out, up and down, in and out. If you don't have a band, just go up and down. So really squeeze, pull your knees in and out. Let's go right in your heels. Keep it going, really pull apart. Ten seconds breather, and then we have got curtsy squats. So pop your band off. And we're just stepping it behind, we're going to curtsy nice and low. Keep it going. Get as low as you can in each curtsy. We're halfway there. More seconds. Alright, and then we've got our worms. So we're going to crawl it all the way out and then all the way back up. Whew, 5 seconds. Ready? All the way out. All the way up. As many as we can. Let's go, get your body completely straight. Think about pulling your belly button into your spine. Halfway there. Seconds. 10 seconds, breathe. Then we've got sit up to standing. So from the bottom, sit all the way up to standing and then back down. If you really can't stand up, just do normal sit-ups. So sit up, stand up, come back down. Keep it going. 10 seconds. Alright, and then we've onto your hands, knees coming into the opposite side. Let's go. 10 more seconds. Oh. And then we've got standing side leg kicks. So whether you've got a band or not, we're just literally lifting our leg up to the side. We're going to do 25 seconds each side, and we'll on a band. So just lift your legs to the side, squeeze your bum. Keep it going. Really squeeze your bum. 3, 2, 1, other side. Really squeeze your bum, keep it going. Ooh, 10 more seconds. Alright, and then next we've got abduction squat, so keep your band on if you've got one. We're going to pull our knees in and out twice and then walk into a squat. So down to your squat, knees in and out, up to the top. If you don't have a band, you can just do a normal squat, just make sure you're getting nice and low. Alright, and then we've got dips and toe touches. So fingers facing you, we're going to do tricep dips and then we're going to touch opposite for you. Let's go. So dip, tap the opposite foot. Think about keeping your elbows together, so don't let them go out to the side. Power through, keep it going. Twenty more seconds. And then 10 seconds breathe out, and then we've just got V crunches. So you're going to crunch up into the V, and then you're going to go back down, and we're going to do 50 seconds of those, and then we've got a 1 minute rest. If you find these too hard, do normal crunches. You're halfway there. Oh, 20 more seconds. Seconds more. Let's go, power through. Oh, and have a breather. A minute's rest, and And then we've got, again from the top. So we're halfway there. Oh. Oh. So take your time, have a breathe, grab a drink. Let me know how you're finding it. You know, all those things. Ah. I don't know what's the hardest thing actually. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe the walking squats. My legs were on fire. Maybe that was just me. Ah. All right, keep resting. We've only got 20 more seconds. Ah. We got this. I also posted a video yesterday onto my Instagram and I think onto my Facebook page with some pelvic floor exercises. So they're really good basically for any females, especially if you're pregnant or you're having a baby or you've just, that's the same thing, or if you've just had a baby. Yeah, all right, back to our high knees and then sub jump. Let's go. So remember, 25 seconds on each side, knee out to the side. Let's go. Take it out, really squeeze your bum. Really squeeze your bum. We got this. 5 more seconds. And then onto the other side. And then into our squat walks. So remember, going forwards and backwards, whatever space you've got. Ready? Let's go. Stay as low as you can, weight in your heels. Power through. Really pull your knees apart. 20 more seconds. Ten seconds more. Let's go, keep it moving. Alright, and then into our plank climb. The ring wasn't working then. So into your plank. Climb up to the top. Let's go. Really pull your belly button to your spine. Keep your body nice and straight. And then 10 seconds breather. And then we've got our opposite foot toe reaches, so lie into the floor. Bring one leg up and reach for it with the opposite hand. Let's go. Keep it going, 5 more seconds. Whew. All right, and then we have got glute bridge abduction. So remember, off the top of the glute bridge, knees in and out. If you don't have a band, just go up and down. Let's go, up to the top, knees in and out, take it down. Up, in and out, down. Really squeeze your bum. And then 10 seconds, breathe. And then we have got curtsy squats. So pop your band off. Let's go. Take it behind, nice and low. Keep your body upright. We got this. Power through. 25 more seconds. Ten more seconds. And then into our worms. So we're just going to pull all the way out, as many as we can. Let's go. All the way up. Remember, keep your belly button engaged and hold into your spine so your abs are engaged. Go all the way down to a plank. More seconds. All right, and then next we've got sit-ups to standing. Remember, if these are way too hard, just do more sit-ups. 15 more seconds. Get as many reps as you can. Ah, 10 seconds breather. And then we have got opposite side. Halfway there, keep it moving. And then into our standing side leg kick. So just 25 seconds each side for this one. So remember, if you don't have a band, just take your leg even higher. And swap to the side. Alright, and then pop your band off. Oh no, don't pop your band off. We've got our squats with our knees in and out. So, knees in and out, up to the top. Remember, if you don't have a band, you can just do normal squats. Keep your weight in your heels. Keep your chest and your shoulders back. Squeeze your butt. We can do it. We're nearly there. Almost done. Halfway there with this one. Remember, keep your hips tucked underneath forward, so don't let that curve come out in your lower back. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch the video about the booty exercises. Alright, we've got 2 more exercises, so dips and touching the opposite foot. If you find these way too hard, you can just do dips. If you find those really hard, do dips it off or something. So dip, touch the opposite foot. Alright, have a breathe. Last thing, Z crunches, and then we'll have a stretch. Alright, you ready? Let's go. Crunch it into the middle. We're halfway there. Power through to the end and you're all done. Let's do it. There we go. Smashed it. Alright, legs out in front. Reach forward over arms, stretch it out. bring the bottoms of your feet together. Reach forward over them. Reach one leg over the top. Twist into the other side. And then swap to the other side. And then onto the front and push your hips into the floor. So let me know what you think of the layout. I like it, I think it goes really fast. But I don't know, maybe you don't think so. And then sit back onto it. Pull one arm across. And the other side. Up and over. Other side. Front leg straight. Straighten the back leg down. Other side. Front leg straight. Back leg down. And we're all done.